Samsung has become the reason of fire again. It's not because of a phone blast, but it is a phone blast. That's quite a folded sentence, huh? I mean, I'm trying to talk like the current TechMill situation, which is all because of the developer conference. There were a lot of great updates about the Galaxy phones, but the major update or center of attraction is this guy here. You're right, this is the Samsung Galaxy F, a foldable beast. The Korean giant is working on this device for a very long time, and after a lot of delays, we finally have the first official hands-on look. It's still very much in prototype stage, but Samsung wanted to take the opportunity to show off how UI and UX works on a flexible display so that developers can make apps that optimize it. Now, let's talk about the build and quality about the Galaxy F. The device obviously uses a special panel bending technology that forced the company to sacrifice a glass body. Glass is tough and protective, but it's not flexible. So Samsung decided to invent a new protective layer with an advanced polymer that is both flexible and tough. So this polymer shouldn't come with any compromises. The company will also use a special adhesive to make sure the display stay together when folded and unfolded. The display is supposedly super thin, durable and flexible as well. All these aspects will allow a user to fold and unfold the Galaxy F hundreds and thousands of times. Moving to the working of Galaxy F, we have a smartphone that actually looks like a smartphone when closed, and when unfolded, it shows a giant 7.3-inch display similar to a miniature tablet. You can operate your apps in both these modes, so there's not a thing to worry about. Also, the software on this device will allow a user to browse 3 apps simultaneously with a so-called multi-active window. The software used here is made by Google, so there shouldn't be any problem while running an Android app or so. Also, Google will reveal a lot of upgrades related to a foldable OS. There are no discussion about the camera on this device, and if you think that we can have an idea by looking those thick bezels, you're wrong, as Samsung clearly said that the actual device is hidden in that ugly cover so that they can protect it from leaks. According to me, there should be iPad Pro like bezels, and yeah, Samsung is working on a lot of foldable technologies. Tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.